Hey YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. The video you're about to see is on George, my tractor. And basically, it's really hard to steer. Still kind of is, but that's beside the point. It was really hard to steer, and it's got a couple different things going wrong with it, but I know one of the first things is in the book. It says to use ATF fluid, automatic transmission fluid, and whoever I looked in there, and whoever had it at some point anyways, whether it was the last guy or not, put like 80 weight gear oil in there, which a lot of tractors, that's I think what you're supposed to put in there, but this one says ATF fluid, which is considerably more fluid. It's not near as thick. So I went ahead and did what I'm about to do. I sucked it out, let it drain for a while, got as much out of it as I could, and then put the ATF fluid that I have in it. So there's kind of the story in the beginning of what's going on. I did it outside. It was pretty windy, so most of it's just kind of a this is what I did. More of a this is what I did on my tractor. If any of you have any questions on how to change the fluids in your steering box on your old tractor, this might help. Here's the video. Now, I don't know if you're going to be able to see this, but right there where I flash the flashlight, and you can kind of see that there's a bright spot there. There's kind of a in the case here where that kind of goes all the way through, and I just filled the ATF fluid right to the top of that. And really it says to go to around the top or around these right here, that you don't need to fill it up like all the way up. So that's what the book says. That's what I did. Now what was in there was like gear oil, and according to the book, yet again, it's supposed to be automatic transmission fluid. Now because this is so old, I'm not sure if the automatic transmission fluid I'm putting in for today is what they would have put in back in the day, but it's what I have, and I'm gonna go for it. And it's quite a bit thinner than the I think it was probably at least 80 weight gear oil that they had in there. So because of that, I'm hoping that's part of what was causing this to steer so hard. We shall see, but it was very difficult, so hopefully this is gonna help that. Well, there you go. Hopefully this helps somebody out. Thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.